Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome to Release Your Best and welcome to the Calm and Stress Management training page. Taking this training will allow you to learn how to develop your self-awareness to an expert level. Know what triggers you to better manage yourself and your well-being. But also learn how to manage impulses, urges, maybe anger, food, drinking, or whatever else. But also learn how to improve your energy management. When sometimes you feel really tired, but also your self-congruence. And self-congruence meaning how to be at peace with yourself. Because I'd like you to realize that sometimes it could be quite tiring to be at odds with yourself. And also flourish your health with improved gray matter and blood flow, which means specifically how to improve your memory, how you can think calmly even when under pressure. So what are the results of the calm and stress management training? Well, this calm and stress management training can grow and improve your well-being, feeling centered and grounded, your mental health, your self-awareness, but also your energy level and physical health. Because everything, literally everything, starts with your mind. But let's make sure that this is for you. When challenged, have you ever felt a tension in your neck or in your back, or eventually a knot in your stomach, or even starts to sweat so much and feeling really hot? I'm referring and talking about your self-awareness. Have you also ever become so overwhelmed by stress or panic during challenging times? Had your emotion taken over your clarity of thoughts? I'm talking about your ability to manage your stress. And have you also ever asked yourself how you could stop worrying or getting so angry? Or how you could stop yourself from eating, drinking, or whatever else like type of binging like behavior? I'm talking about your ability to manage your impulses. Because here's the problem. You may have just not learned the method and the process to develop your self-awareness, but also how to manage your stress. And that is just a skill. And addressing this is the outcome of mastering self-awareness and stress management, learning how to remain calm, learning how to manage your stress. At the same time, would it be useful for you to learn how to become more aware of what's going on inside your mind? And also feeling more successful at what you want to do or what you want to achieve? And also, would it be interesting for you to learn how you could cope with stress in a healthy, sustainable, and empowering way? Learning also how to keep clarity of mind during challenging situations. Another question for you: how your life and your career would be if you know how to systematically have insight in yourself when going through these actions. Calm and rationality, empowerment and resilience. Now, why would you choose Release Your Best? Why would you choose this training specifically? Well, the skills and the knowledge you will get here are verified for their accuracy. These are proven and study-based. There's no holistic approach and is focused on results. If it is empirical, it's going to be pragmatic and practical. It is also field-tested, backed by a lasting and successful track record, practiced by a diverse range of professionals and students from all age, gender, and social groups. You're here to learn, and everyone can learn. It is also comprehensive. It covers an extensive resources and method how you can manage your mind. And I want to clarify, all classes are taught in a positive, non-judgmental, and supportive environment. Now, you may have questions, things you'd like to know or understand. Well, you can scroll down all the way down to the FAQ, frequently asked questions, where you can get answers of, the questions most asked. And if you want to know more specifics about the training, or have your own unique question, you can always schedule your one-to-one conversation via the booking system where it says schedule a call. Thank you so much for listening, and in the meantime, release your best.